Welcome back, luxury queens. Indulge yourselves as we dive deep into the captivating levels of wealth that continue to define our world. Whether you're climbing the ladder of prosperity or basking in the ultimate experience of luxury living, there's an abundance of knowledge and excitement that awaits in today's exploration. But before we immerse ourselves in this enriching journey, take a moment to show us some love. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. By doing so, and never miss out on our enriching content. So, buckle up and brace yourselves as we set forth on this exhilarating expedition through the exciting levels of jaw-dropping wealth. Wealth level number 1. People who are earning over $200,000 a year. Making over $200,000 a year might make it seem like you're living the high life, almost like you're in the exclusive top 1% of earners worldwide. But the truth might catch you off guard. While it allows for a fancy home and car, they come with hefty price tags, and you might still find yourself working full-time and feeling a bit financially tight. That's why people consider more than just their income and focus on what they own, or what we call net worth, to measure one's wealth. The more assets you have, like investments or valuable property, the less you rely on a regular paycheck. It's like trading your usual work hours for relaxed beach moments. If you've been thinking where to put your yearly earnings of $200,000 above into potential investments, here's a bit of guidance. Now, let's get one thing straight. What you're about to read isn't financial advice. It's more like a list of possibilities to consider. But before you even think about investing your cash into any of these things, you've got to do your homework. And we mean detailed and careful research. Now let's dive into these options and see what might be worth a closer look. Remember, everyone's situation is different, so what might be a golden opportunity for one person could be the complete opposite for another. Always proceed cautiously and make informed decisions based on your own circumstances and goals. First is real estate. Investing in real estate can be a great move, especially if you're not in urgent need of your money. You can buy investment properties and let tenants pay off your mortgage over time, leading to monthly rent becoming a passive income source. Historical returns on residential properties have averaged around 6%. You can also explore various real estate platforms or real estate investment trusts. These platforms allow you to tap into real estate investment benefits without the responsibilities of a landlord. Second is cryptocurrency. While many doubted the mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies, this belief seems to be changing over time. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are increasingly accepted as payment in various places, and Bitcoin Ms are appearing in different parts of the world. Due to Bitcoin's widespread adoption, some experts predict that a single Bitcoin could be valued at $1,000 or more in the coming years. Again, this value is only a prediction from experts. Anyone can invest in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum through cryptocurrency apps, which securely store your crypto until you're ready to trade or sell. Third is purchasing an existing business. Buying a business might not be the best choice for everyone, mainly because it's a significantly more hands-on and involved investment strategy. It's not just about investing money into stocks or real estate. It's about being more involved and creating something that could potentially generate big income in the long term. Picture this. You start off with this business baby, nurturing it, helping it grow, and as time goes by, it becomes this thriving entity that keeps the cash flowing. And here's the exciting part. Once you've got it all set up and running like a well-oiled machine, you might not even have to be there all the time. You could reach a point where you've got capable hands managing the everyday operations for you. That means you get to step back a bit and enjoy what we call passive income, money coming in without you having to work all day long. But getting to that point takes a lot of big effort, dedication, and smart decision-making along the way. It's a journey that demands your time, energy, and a whole lot of patience, but if you play your cards right, it could pay off big time in the long run. Fourth is gold. A lot of financial experts strongly suggest investing in precious metals, especially gold, because of the protection it gives against rising inflation. That's why when the economy is not good and inflation starts decreasing the value of money, gold tends to step up as a savior. Now, here's the interesting part. When everyone's looking to invest in gold, its demand rises, causing its price to soar. This rise in price boosts the value of existing gold assets and, as a result, increases the wealth of those who have already invested in it. Therefore, owning a portion of your investment in gold isn't just about possessing something shiny and valuable. It's a strategic move, a shield that can help safeguard your wealth when the economy becomes problematic for everyone. Wealth. Level number 2. People with net worth of $30 million to $100 million. Between $30 million and above, life surely becomes pretty comfortable financially. At this stage, you can afford a luxurious lifestyle, owning a beautiful home, occasionally flying first class for international trips, and treating yourself to luxury suites for special occasions. You'll be able to handle healthcare expenses and sudden financial problems without completely disrupting your life. However, it's important to continue making sensible and cautious financial decisions. This is the phase when you start forming connections with influential people. You might oversee or play a significant role in a large company. Your preferences lean towards high-end hotels, owning multiple homes worldwide, and indulging in highly exclusive events. Spending $10,000 to $20,000 per night on accommodations isn't a concern. You have personal assistants and gatekeepers to manage access to you. Purchasing extravagant items like fancy cars and expensive jewelry is well within your means. Instead of flying first class, you prefer private jets, either by chartering flights or even owning a share in private jet services. Also, at this level, your social circle undergoes a significant shift. You might socialize with Congress members, senators, and influential community leaders, earning respect within exclusive circles. In the past 20 years, there's been a huge rise in really wealthy people, those with $100 million or even more in their bank accounts. This sudden growth is all thanks to the prices of things like property and stocks rising up all around the world. In fact, the number of these super-rich people, sometimes called centimillionaires, has doubled. Right now, there are more than 28,000 of them worldwide, which is a big jump compared to the previous years. This boom shows the big effect of assets' rising value and also reveals how money is spread out differently throughout the world's billion-plus population. The rise in centimillionaires reflects the fast increase of asset values driven by low interest rates, boosting the worth of various assets like real estate, stocks, private companies, and art. The growth of tech wealth, especially in the U.S., has also contributed to the increase in the super wealthy. Low interest rates and the continuous flow of money since the 2008 financial crisis have also decreased the value of money, contributing to the growth of centimillionaires in terms of dollars. The decrease in the value of money means we would expect more centimillionaires in dollar terms. This growth has also been driven by significant progress in the U.S. and Asia. Most of today's centimillionaires made their fortunes by starting their own companies or supporting startups. The U.S. remains as the center of entrepreneurship and centimillionaires, hosting 38% of the global population worth $100 million or more. With the era of ultra-low interest rates coming to an end, the growth rate for centimillionaires may slow down. It appears that the next 10 years will experience slower growth compared to the previous decade. Although the media often focuses more on billionaires, centimillionaires are actually the more dominant representative of the world's super wealthy. Not too long ago, in the late 1990s, most banks considered $30 million as the fortune needed for this status. However, asset prices have significantly increased since then, making $100 million the new standard of the super rich. While many smaller, less developed countries have few billionaires, they may have several dozen or even hundreds of centimillionaires. There's often little visible difference in lifestyle between a person worth $100 million and a billionaire. They might travel by private jet and own multiple homes. And aside from perhaps being involved in philanthropy, their lifestyle would essentially look the same. For individuals with a net worth of $30 million and above, here are some potentially profitable investments worth considering. However, this is not financial advice. It's simply a list of possible investments. With $30 million or above, real estate investment can be quite lucrative. One of the most profitable ventures in real estate is buying and selling properties for profit. Investing in real estate is a solid way to utilize $30 million, as properties tend to appreciate over time, offering significant returns in the future. Another option at this financial level could be investing in building a restaurant in your city. Before diving in, ensure you understand what it takes to not just build but run a successful restaurant. As an entrepreneur, you won't be the chef. Rather, you'll oversee the business side. And establishing a successful restaurant brand can lead to continued success in the same city or across multiple cities. Wealth Level 3. People with a net worth of $100 million or $1 billion. To get to this stage, you're likely overseeing or owning a well-known business, even if you're not widely recognized yourself. You'll also surely have access to famous celebrities and businessmen, travel in luxury, and have multiple big homes around the world, each with ultra-expensive cars. Perhaps you even own your private island and a yacht, indulging in nearly any experience you can dream up, like playing tennis with your favorite sports star or throwing exclusive parties with renowned bands. If you're an art enthusiast, you may even have access to rare artworks not usually displayed publicly. When you're sitting on hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars, it's not just about fancy cars and luxurious mansions anymore. It's about getting your hands on the most unique, super rare items out there. People in this exclusive club have an amazing network, and they don't just sit on their cash. They put it to work. They invest in things like fancy buildings and big chunks of companies through the stock market. Some even start their own businesses, using their big piles of money to get things rolling. And because they've got so much cash to invest, they've got this massive advantage. They can make moves that can increase their wealth's growth, like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger. Having all that money isn't just about having stuff, it's about using it smartly to make even more. Hitting the billion-dollar mark opens doors to access and influence. Billionaires can easily connect with almost anyone, from celebrities to politicians, and can make a substantial impact through big donations and charitable efforts. Thank you for tuning in to Luxury Queens today. We hope this discussion on the various levels of wealth gave you valuable insights into the amazing world of luxury. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. By subscribing to Luxury Queens, you'll stay updated with all our latest content, exploring the high-end lifestyle, luxury trends, and insightful discussions about wealth. Make sure to ring that notification bell so you never miss out when we drop new videos. Also, feel free to check out our past videos for more fascinating insights into the world of luxury living. We love having you as part of our luxury community, and we can't wait to share more exclusive content with you. Thank you for being here with Luxury Queens. Until next time, live glamorously, and we'll see you in the next video.
Exploring the pinnacle of luxury with Luxury Queen.